Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn about the conditional operator in Java. So in the previous video friends, we have seen that how do we use the other decision making statements in Java. Basically we can use the if statement in Java for decision making. We can also use the switch statement in Java for decision making. Now conditional operator is also one of the kind of statements that we can use in Java for decision making. If we try to understand the syntax of the conditional operator, it is basically, suppose, we will take any value wherein we want to check these, we want to check, say, the greater of the two numbers. So we'll write the, what is the condition or what is the expression, okay, and then question mark, the expression 1 colon expression 2. Basically, so if this condition is true, then expression 1 is evaluated, otherwise the expression 2 is evaluated. So this is how we use the conditional operator in Java. Now in order to understand it better, we are going to write a program to find greater of two numbers. In this program, we will first of all get the two numbers from user. So for getting the number from user, we are going to use the scanner class. We'll make an object of the scanner class, new scanner system.in. This system.in, basically it represents the standard input over here, and then we'll print the message that we want to display to user. And then we say that we take the numbers in variables. So this object and which we have created dot, in order to access that some method, we use the next int method here. Int b is equal to n dot next int. Okay, so we have taken two variables from the user. Now let us also declare one more variable which will store the greater of the two numbers, and the c would be equal to how we are going to evaluate the greater of the two numbers using the conditional operator. In case we were doing it with if else statement, we could have written if a is greater than b, then c is equal to a, else c is equal to b. If we are using the if else statement for evaluating this, for programming this. But you see the number of lines that we are using is much more here. If we use the if else, we can just have it in the one line in case of if we are going to use the conditional operator. So we are going to write c is equal to, and this is our test expression, question mark a colon b. So how this will evaluate, how it will work is that if a is greater than b, then a value will be assigned to c, otherwise b will be assigned to c. Now here I am writing the I am going to print the greater of two numbers is plus c. Okay, so if I try to run this, I hope, yeah, we have closed the main and the class. We save this one, we run it, enter the two numbers. I say 8 and 4. Greater of two numbers is 8. Suppose b is greater now. I say 5, 9. Greater of two numbers is 9. So this is how we use the conditional operator in Java. Basically it is used to, if you have a just a two-way condition, you can just use the conditional operator. It saves you a lot of lines of code. So this is how we use expression colon expression 1 expression 2, and this evaluates to whatever, a variable wherein we want to store the greater of the two numbers, etc. So I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.